Want to become a digital marketing whiz? Start with these essential skills. First on our list is SEO. It's all about driving organic traffic to your site. Focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, and building quality backlinks. Next, content creation. High-quality, engaging content is key. Think blog posts, videos, infographics, and social media updates. Third, social media management. Be active on social platforms to connect with your audience and build your brand. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer can help schedule posts and track engagement. Fourth, email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters. Craft compelling subject lines and provide valuable content. Finally, data analysis. Understanding your data is crucial. Use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic, conversions, and key metrics. By mastering these 5 essential skills, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful digital marketer. Like, comment, and subscribe for more career tips and guides. Thanks for watching.